Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you exactly how you can invite new members to your groups on Telegram. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, so let us get started. In the first step, launch the Telegram application on your mobile device, be it on your Android or on your iOS. And on your home screen, simply select the group you would like to invite new members to, so tap on it. After that, tap on the name of your group here at the top. And after that, you will be given the opportunity, or this feature here below, add members, to add new members to your group. So obviously tap on it. And after that, simply use this list below to invite contacts of yours to your group, or simply tap on invite to group via link here and copy that link below to share it with people online, be it on social media or via direct messaging services, or I don't know, posts on the internet, to invite members to join your group. Remember, groups on Telegram can contain up to 200,000 group members, so there's actually quite a lot of space in your group. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.